Kane. He's crazy. All right, guys, so there you have it. We got the whole AC control system switched out to amber. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I appreciate you guys watching. Just wanted to make a video. I'm going to be updating the AC controller and the cruise control on my 2000 Civic EX. This particular model does come with the yellowish color on the AC controller. But I really like the SI look. As you guys know, I replaced the cluster to get the amber look and the SI look of it. So I did find a guy out of Dallas who shipped over the AC controller as well as the cruise control. Actually, he gave me that for free, so I really appreciate him doing that. So I'm going to be replacing all of that today on the Civic, and hope you guys like it. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so I actually already removed it here. But basically all you have to do is you're gonna stick something here, and then you just pry it open and it'll come out. It has a couple little clips here. And then that's it. I'm gonna take it off and clean it because it's really dusty. And basically the only one that lights up is this cruise control button here. So that's the one that we'll be changing out to amber. So let me get it changed out here, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, guys, so we're all finished up with the cruise control button. I did add a little bit of dressing, and that made it look a lot better. Over time, you know, dressing it up a little more will definitely change that up a bit. But let's see how it looks. Alright, so that actually does match with the cluster. Only thing that we need is the center console. Alright, guys, so for some reason I thought it was recording, but I guess it wasn't. So let me just go over it really quick here. What I did, it's we popped this bottom plastic off here underneath the Alright, guys, so for some reason I thought this thing was recording, but it wasn't. So let me just give you a quick walkthrough. It's fairly easy. You want to pop this plastic here underneath the steering wheel off, and then you got a screw here at the bottom. You got one here at the top. Got another screw here at the top, and then you got one way at the bottom down there. Let's see if I can get a good angle for you guys. There you go. Yeah, down there, guys. So once you have that removed, this whole thing here should just come off, and then we'll work on the bottom here. All right, guys, so we got it all pulled out now. Basically, just gonna disconnect the rear camera, disconnect the USB cable, and then I'm just gonna disconnect the back, the radio here, and the Bluetooth. So now we got the whole unit pulled out here. Looks a lot different out of the car. So it looks like this top bulb here is not working. Thankfully, I was able to remove it before. Or actually, thankfully, I thought about that. How do you guys feel about this new Type R? Not my cup of tea, but I don't know, it'll probably take some getting used to for me. A little more old school. Seats look really nice though. I don't know if you guys can see them. Running you back 37,000.
Several days later.
Alright guys, so depending on what bulb you're looking for, but if you're looking for the ones for this here, the actual code for that, it's gonna be these here. So Honda discs, they'll have them in stock. I believe they were $5 each. So we did get both of them brand new just so I can have a backup. And then the ones for these here are gonna be these little guys here. All right, so let me get them put on and we'll install everything again. Hopefully it looks good. All right, guys, there you have it. You got the Amber AC controller. And we got the Amber cruise controller. So let me get it all bolted up. guys, so that was as close as we can get it to the amber. It looks a lot better with the amber color. I personally like it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, guys, and let me know what you think. And let me know what you guys think as far as the cluster. So we got one coming. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it on this video, maybe on the next one. But let me know what you guys think the cluster is going to be. But I definitely think I'll enjoy it a lot better than the SI one that we had. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, so there it is, our new cluster. So this is a European SIR cluster. Definitely just wanted to do something different. Originally, I was going to go with the CTR cluster, but I just really couldn't find one that I liked that was at a good price. But I ended up selling my SI cluster. As you guys remember, I pretty much got that one for free, since I took it off of the old Civic that we had purchased. I sold it and ended up picking this one up. So let's get it installed, and this should complete the amber lighting and the new cluster, guys. Kane, you crazy, man. All right, guys, so there you have it. We switched out the AC control system to amber. All the bulbs will be in the description in case you guys do need them. Now, we did go ahead and try to get as close as we can on the double din to the amber look. We got the SIR cluster installed, and we also have the cruise control done, so it's all amber now. Definitely will be enjoying this cluster a lot better. Unfortunately, it is in kilometers, so it takes some getting used to. But it looks like everything's working pretty well. Have all the lights on, cruise control lights. So everything seems to be working really well. I definitely like this look a lot better. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think of the cluster. It does have the carbon fiber background to it, and that is OEM, I believe. So if I'm wrong, please correct me. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you like the SI cluster or if this cluster is better. But me personally, I definitely like the look of this cluster. Even with the lights off, you really can't tell that well, but you guys saw even with the lights off, it is an amber color, so it makes a huge difference. It looks really, really good to me. All right, so there you have it, guys. The amber lighting has been completed. It was about 2, maybe 3 week video. My local Honda didn't just have the bulbs in stock, so unfortunately we did have to wait for shipping to come in. And in between time, I decided to sell the cluster, so we were waiting on the new cluster to come in. But let me know what you guys think of it. I like it, but you know, everybody has their own taste. I'm not gonna change it or anything, but I definitely would like to hear you guys' opinion and comments. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification. Guys, we got a lot more stuff coming to the channel, not only for the Civic, but I got a couple of other projects that we'll be revealing here soon. We're trying to get in touch with a couple other YouTubers here in Houston so we can, you know, collaborate on a couple of stuff. But I definitely appreciate you guys watching. If you have any suggestions or anything you would like to see more of, please definitely let me know. Again, guys, I appreciate the support. I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.